We're here today in Barry to find out how a social business is helping people.
What business is this and where is it?
So we're with Music in Mind, and at the moment we're in Barry, where we run a singing group and we also run a gentle exercise group for older people, and we run those groups across the whole of the Vale of Glamorgan.
What does the business do?
We run singing and social groups and gentle exercise and social groups for older people in the community in South Wales, so that they have an opportunity to come and do an activity that they enjoy, meet other people and have fun.
What issues are you tackling?
We found from our research that social isolation and poverty is a big deal in older people, and especially since COVID, where lots of services have unfortunately had to shut, that's still an ongoing issue. We also have an ageing population in Wales, so we wanted to provide something for the community that gives them something to do that they can enjoy and meet other people.
How have you helped the community so far?
In terms of impact, we've helped over 1,000 people since we started, and we have about 150 people coming to our groups every week. So we know that people want the service and that we're doing the right thing. And we also ensure that by asking them what they want and how they feel about the service, so that they can feed back to us about what it's doing for them. And they've said things like it makes them feel happier, that they look forward to what's happening that week, and that they've made friends that they can see outside of group as well.
What type of business is this and how is it different from other businesses?
So with Music in Mind is a social enterprise, and we formed it as a community interest company, which is a type of structure that means that we're not a charity, but we are a business that is for the community, and that means that any profits that we make have to go back into the running of the business and benefit the community.
What inspired you to be involved?
I have a background as a physiotherapist, and with my colleague Sarah, we felt that although there was evidence out there that this was needed, no one was really getting on and doing something. So we decided that we were just going to start up and get going and then see how it went, and it went really well. So we're still doing it now.
Now we've seen on our doorstep a social business with many benefits for the community.